This red paint is gonna keep my face stained like this for like 2-3 business days. It's fine. Hey guys, I hope you're all doing great. So in today's video, I decided to do a makeup look that is going to be super difficult, and it is going to be an illusion makeup look. I have been seeing a lot of different difficult illusion makeup looks on Instagram, and they are very difficult. Alright, they are so different, so difficult, so unique, so creative, and every time I see one I'm like, I want to try it, at least try it. Even I know that I'm not gonna be going to nail it, or I'm just gonna mumble. No, but I'm gonna try it because I can. So her stuff is amazing. I'm going to link her Instagram in the description box. I
have been following her since a long time and I love her makeup looks. I wanted to create something from her looks since a long time. So I decided
that day is the day. I am gonna do it. I am gonna recreate that look. I am so nervous. I have already primed my face, so we're gonna jump right into the process. It's
not gonna be like, I'm gonna do this. It's gonna.
So first I'm doing my normal makeup, which includes foundation, concealer and powder, blush, contour, everything. And then I'm gonna do that creative part. So I did my one eye makeup off camera. I'm going to do the other one on camera, and then we're going to do the creative part. So now my other eye is done, like all of my base makeup is done except my lipstick, but I think I would do that like the last May. So first I'm gonna draw the circular lines on my face. Maybe I'm gonna do a cut after the brown line with a foundation. Light shade foundation, so that I can do a real highlight effect. Now let's draw these white tape kind of things on these areas. So now I'm gonna fill in these areas with red color, straight up, nothing so like confusing about it. So I'm gonna do that black depth effect before I set my paint.
"2,000 years later."
So now I'm gonna give this brown lines to make it all look very stretched. And I really like how this turned out. I did not expect myself to do like this good, so So now I'm gonna set everything, put on my eyelashes and do my lipstick, and then I'm gonna be back with the whole look. And I'm also gonna change my look, and my camera's battery is dying, so I'm gonna wrap it up for now, put my camera's battery to charge, and then I'm gonna be back with the final look. So my whole look is kind of complete. I put aluminum foil as a background and it looks stunning. I guess it looks stunning. I really like it. And now I'm gonna click some photos, and I'm gonna show you the final result. I also want to put a light on here, a golden light, so that it kind of reflects the aluminium foil that I'm using. It is gonna look really good as far as I think. So that was it for today's video, guys. If you like this video and this concept and this look and this whole aesthetic, then please don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below whatever your thoughts are about this video, or if you want to suggest me anything for my next videos, please don't forget to comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to never miss any other content from my channel, and hit the bell icon to watch my videos first. And yes, that was it